You're late.
Conroy's still watching me. He's got a real hard on.
Is your cover compromised?
Well, you haven't fished me out of the harbor yet.
All right. How are you doing?
How am I doing? Fuck, Raymond, where do I start? There's a civil war brewing in the Sun on Yi. Winston and Dog Eyes escalated practically every day. Don't you read my fucking reports?
I mean, you personally. How are you doing?
Look, Raymond, I gotta get back.
Your state of mind is important, Wayne. It's important to me. It's important to how you do your job.
Fuck you. I do my job just fine.
Well, that's for me to decide.
You mean Pendrew?
Pendrew assigned me as your controller. And listen, Wayne, Pendrew may not be concerned about you, but I am. I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
You're a cop. I'm an undercover cop. The rules are different. And you're fucking concerned about me?
You are an officer of the law, Wayne, same as me.
We are not the same. You understand? We done?
Yeah, we're done.
You heard there was a fight here? So? What do you expect? I'm not complaining. I think it's kind of like
What, can I help you? There you go. When your PC sounds like this, and your internet connection is... You need Ping's PC. Just pick up the phone, and within 24 hours, we'll have it up and running and delivered right back to your door. Ping's PC. Computer repair made easy PC. Radio.
Rosy Beach. What do you want me to do about it? I'm a little other psychology.
ID on suspect!
We got them!
Something special for my boyfriend. Last time, I wanted to surprise Chow. Waited for him at his place next. I had all the special his favorite. Spoiled it all.
Finally!
You got the money?
You got the stuff? Let me see the stuff.
Of course I got this stuff. You think I come to a drug
shit is the best. Check it out.
Money's on the boat.
Hey, you hear Mickey Wong is dating Vivian Lu?
Nah, she's fucking PR agent.
You're full of shit.
Sorry. It's fucking.
Fucking bitch. Sure. I can't do that. Can't do that to me.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing down here?
I live here. I gotta sleep. Get to boat. Drop.
Get out of here!
Oh. Come on, man. Come on, man. I gotta.
Oh, God! That's disgusting! Oh, shit! $5 keys, 50,000 each.
Bullshit. 10 keys and 35.
You're cheap. Stuff down twice. Some old friend prices.
I'm not your old friend. 35.
You bring me all the way out here to waste my time? Am I some Taiwanese street merchant? Smuggler Hong doesn't act. No? No. Maybe it's another 5 keys for everybody.
40.
Fuck you. 48 or I sell it all at 18K. They don't got a fucking pay.
Did you get Popstar Supplier?
I got him. And so did Popstar. 2 shots in the chest.
Damn.
Shuts down the drug pipeline, at least. And I'm giving you Popstar on a platter. I got the deal and the double cross on camera.
Good work, Wei. Thanks. With Popstar gone, Sun On Yi is down to only one supplier. The bottleneck will create a lot of tension inside the triad. Watch your back, Wei.
Really, cops? Great.
We've charged Popstar and his top lieutenants. Conspiracy? trafficking, possession, and murder. He'll get life. And we've seized what looks like an entire month's supply. Thanks, Wei. We've done more to stop drugs coming into Hong Kong than half the narcotics squad combined.
Weapons fire reported in the front center. reported. All PTU, please respond.
PTU on the way.
Thank God you're here! Nobody back down! Come on!
He's making a run for it. Get back.
You haven't got me yet! You never will! Do not resist!
That was not what I expected to start my patrol. Thanks for your help.
Thanks. It's fucking great when you're on my side.
Wait, we've been waiting for you.
You guys smell something? I do. 一直食屎嘅老鼠啊 You know what happens to rats, Wei?
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, Conroy gave me all the details when he was helping me out on that mini.
Who the fuck do you think you are, huh? You come in out of nowhere and suddenly our guys start to get arrested? He ratted out pop star Winston. I know he did.
What are you gonna do to what? This motherfucker right here is a snitch! Is that right, Ming? You fucking rat. I sent you to Popstar, but now he's in jail! Yeah? And who stands to gain the most from that? You're gonna take over Popstar's whole ketamine racket now. No more scraps for you. You'll supply the whole city with drugs. You and Dog Eyes. Popstar's gone, but you're still dealing, aren't you? So who's supplying you? Are you guys actually listening to this asshole? He's a rat! He's a fucking rat!
You're still working for that bastard, aren't you?
Wait, Winston, I swear!
Oh, he's a dirty fucker,
I'm
Ming.
not saying
Fucking rat. Clean that up. Loyalty's important, Wei. Never forget that. You get in this business for yourself, you're bound to end up like little Lan Tang. You know what happens to rats? Wait, he ratted out pop star Winston. I know he did.
What are you gonna do to what?
Steady now.
I'm positive ID on suspect.
We got them! We got them!
Last year's Ecose shoes are on sale today.
Go buy yourself some. Give me a pair too.
How will I know what?
You have a car in here? You go enjoy yourself.
I found one of your statues.
Ah, the dragon. Wonderful. I understand your sister passed.
She was an addict. She couldn't kick it. It's not a very interesting story.
I suppose. Though in light of that, your chosen career is rather interesting. To me anyway, knowing who you are.
You asked me once not to lie to you. And I think in return, you shouldn't ask me about my career.
Fair enough. What would you like to learn? I yearn for the days when my students were merely bad. Have you no pride, Ming? Your ancestors fought. They like to disown you. Now, Ninja Master! Please, stop by again if you find one of my statues. 我覺得你搞錯咗啊！呢個一定好玩啊！